Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you all are doing well. Today tutorial is quite interesting. We will change a normal photo to the paint effects photo or paint stylized photo. Whatever term you guys use, the purpose is to change it to the paint effects. Let's start work on it. Go to the layer panel, create a duplicate layer. As I always recommend, always keep a backup layer over there. So I will mask this layer now. If you want to learn how to use the masking, please watch my tutorial on the masking. I will also share that tutorial link in the description part of this tutorial. I'm just doing it fast. I'm not giving attention to details at this stage. Let me zoom in. Let me use this brush to do it manual things. This is not visible. Let me. Okay. I guess this is better. Yes, pretty much better now. Mm, looks good. Click OK. This is the mask layer now. So I'm going to create another layer in between for better understanding what's going on with the image. So this is little problem over there and here, but this is okay. I'm okay with this one. The purpose is just to tell how to put those oil paint effects over there. So I'm going to convert this layer to smart object. If you want to know the difference between the smart object layer and the normal layer, please see my tutorial. This is very useful if you are a Photoshop user. I will also share this tutorial link in the description part of this tutorial. Okay, now I'm directly jumping into the filter panel, stylize, oil paint effects. Okay, here you go. It's already set over there. Okay, I'm now going to play around with the values and we'll see where it looks good. Let me increase the shine 0.1 and let me increase it to 8, I guess. 9, I need more cleanness over there. Scale is 8, I guess is better. See? And click OK. See this? The difference between the smart object layer, if you might be, if you are the Facebook user, you don't see such type of things. So see this, put the all effects. If I want to modify it, I will double click on it. I can go back to my options and can modify the options. However, I do not want to modify at this stage. Just make a duplicate of this layer as I forgot it before. So the benefit is I can easily remove my effects from the duplicate layer because I forgot it before. In your other case, if you forget it, you have to undo, or again you have to create a duplicate of your background layer. In case if you are not keeping that one, you do not have a choice. You have to start it again. So what happened now? Let me disable this. The effects are still there, but however, I have created another layer over there. So I am going to create another layer for safe side. So let me click on it and go to the filter gallery and add some filter over there. Let me, I need some, okay, let's set it 0. Yes, such type of effects I need maybe 4 is okay. Let's set it to maximum. Posterization, click OK. Now such type of effects I have over there. Now go to the filter, style, and oil paint on the same layer. Yes, I will increase little bit, 9 this time, and this increase decrease I will lead to 7 because I need more detail around eyes and the edges. and I will decrease this too, and I do not need a shine here, and I'm going to click OK. Let me go to span click overlay. No, I'm not getting those results on overlay. Okay, let's click on overlay and decrease the opacity. That's okay. I'm okay with it. See this? Okay, this click 25. See the difference between both. See the detail around eyes, eyebrows, hairs. See this? And I need this one. Okay, now activate the last layer. Go to the filters, others, high pass, because I want to make the edges more prominent. So let's see where the edges are more prominent. I guess 6.0 is better for that. Click here and overlay it. And now I will show you the difference. See, the eyes, hairs, eyebrows are more prominent with this effect. See this? These are more oily effects over there. Now the question is about, oh, okay, I forgot, or might be I need to increase the more filter galleries effects and all. So let's go back to this. Click on filter gallery. You will go back to it. So I need this more edges over there. So I will increase the edge intensity to, yes, edge thickness. Let me increase also this time, maybe 1. Okay, see how easy it is to go back to the layer and add more effects. Yes, this is much better. Let me disable this layer and activate it. See the result. So let me show you before and after. Let me group all those items. Let me add it into it and see. This is before and this is after. See how easy it is. You, through the same way, you can also put those effects in your photos. If you want me to put the effects in your photos, feel free to send me your photos, and I will add the oil paint effects using the same method. But remember one thing, it is not necessary to use the same values. It depends on your photo tone. If might be your photo is more darker or more lighter. Accordingly, just play around with different options and add those effects. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe for my upcoming videos.